Today, machine shops are looking to boost their productivity without sacrificing flexibility. This is where the Haas QuikChange System comes in. The QuikChange System is exclusive to the HRT 210 and the HRT A6 and can come in two configurations, the QuikChange Cube and the QuikChange Plate system. Both the cube and the plate are attached using the pneumatic actuator and the alignment pins, ensuring a quick and accurate changeover of fixtures. This allows you to load up one fixture with raw stock, and while it's running, remove the finished parts from the previous job and load up fresh blanks. The cube has four 4-inch square sections to mount fixtures and clamps to, while the plate has two 10-inch by 8-inch sides for mounting hardware and an A-frame support for added rigidity. For more information on the Haas QuikChange System, visit the Rotaries page on haascnc.com.